Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable watch only wallet in Sparrow Wallet. A watch only wallet lets you monitor Bitcoin addresses without having the private keys, and this is useful for the extra security because even if someone hacks your computer, they cannot spend your funds. And here's how to set it up. First, you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet on your computer. You can open your new wallet, open wallet, or import wallet, as I'm going to select this new wallet here. And after that, choose the wallet type. On the script type, pick the format of the addresses you want to monitor. And over here, you can find this key store section here. You can choose the watch only, sometimes called the public key. Over here, watch only wallet here. And if you see the software wallet, hardware wallet, or multi-signature, scroll down and find this watch only here. And over here, you can label it. You can also master the fingerprint. You can select any of the derivation. You can type down your XPub here. Now your wallet is watch only. And after that, you can select apply. And your wallet will be watch only. Sparrow will display the balances and transaction, but you cannot spend from it. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to enable watch only wallet in Sparrow Wallet. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.